Guys, I just want to share with you what I'm working on. This is a tutorial on how to create a community website from scratch, similar to what we have on Divi University. So here it is. So I show you how to create this basic landing page here, and I show you how to create this and also import our basic templates. Over here, I show you how to connect this to your payment system, which is FluentCart. And as you can see here, it is a very straightforward setup. You can go there, people can make a payment, and this community here looks like this. And I mean, if you are on Divi University, you know how this looks, but I'm going to show you how to set this up from scratch. It also has the courses section. So I also show you how to set up your courses. So you can see here, if I say get started, it shows me the actual course itself. So this is a complete start to end tutorial, which shows you how to create a community website. Now, what really inspired this was websites like School, because School is becoming very popular. And as you can see here, I mean, people have thousands of members. Look at this one here, 300K. This is crazy. But you know what the challenge is? These ones here, these communities cost about $99 per month. So I thought to myself, well, I'm sure people would like to know how to create this on WordPress, where you just pay a one-off payment and you have full control of your own community. If you stop paying for this School community, I'm pretty sure they'll shut you down and you won't have access to your community. But if you purchase your own license for Fluent Community, you'll be able to run your own community on your website. And most importantly, you can run or set up these communities for your clients. Now imagine setting up a community for your church, for your tennis club, for, I mean, any communities out there. This will be really awesome. So that is what really inspired me to create this community website. I mean, I've seen some of these YouTubers, I didn't know they had communities and they're charging $119 per month. I mean, this is crazy. You know, I know him, he's an MMA fighter. I mean, he has 28K members. This is crazy. This is amazing. So we are able to create something very similar on WordPress, and I'll be showing you exactly how to create this in the upcoming tutorial. And if you're not a member of Divi University yet, head over to diviuniversity.com and sign up. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Tomorrow is when I'll be publishing it. Take care.